Okay, Mariam, are you ready?
Yup.
What is your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Bangla.
What is your capital city?
My capital city is Dhaka.
What is your national bird?
My national bird is magpie robin.
What is your national fruit?
My national fruit is jackfruit.
What is your national flower?
My national flower is water lily.
What is your national tree?
My national tree is mango tree.
What is your national mosque?
My national mosque is Baitul Mukarram Mosque.
What is your national poet?
My national poet is Kazi Nazrul Islam.
What is your national animal?
My national animal is tiger.
What is your national fish?
My national fish